Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve features on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve features on Roblox app, here you can click on settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Roblox and you can click in this page. You will go to Roblox app here. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us